Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome on into today's video. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be demoing today and testing out and getting my first impressions on the new launch from Winky Lux. This is their Cheeky Rose Liquid Blush. I got the shade Darling, and then their Cheeky Rose Liquid Sculpt. I did get the shade Amalfi. I saw these on Trendmood, and even though I'm on a no-buy, I just had to have them. They look beautiful and look right up my alley. So very quickly, it says to shake well, dot onto the cheeks, and blend out with fingers or a brush. Dab more for more intense color. And it says it is a gel cream blush, seamless velvet finish, buildable color, and evening primrose infused. This sounds phenomenal. I love products like this. And the packaging also, I mean, 10 out of 10. The boxing, the unit carton, the actual component itself, beautiful. And I just have on some foundation and some lip oil, of course. So I'm going to go in with Amalfi first. And it does say shake well. Oh, okay. Packaging is nice, nice frosted plastic. It does have a little bit of weight to it, which I love. So cute. I know there's some by She Glam, I believe. Y'all let me know, but I think these are like, She Glam has the same style of packaging. Okay, that is really cool. You can see a little bit of product has been deposited. I am going to start, oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm going to start there and blend that out first. With the blush, I'm going in with this brush right here, and with my bronzer, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Flat Foundation brush. But this is what I like to use for products like this. You need to work quick because I'm already getting like a little bubble, but it blended out well. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, now I feel like I can go in with a little bit more. And I like to keep my, bronzer or contour type products a little bit further up and kind of more into the hairline. That way, if it ends up becoming a little bit too deep, too dark, too muddy, something like that, then honestly, by the time I pull my hair down, you never see it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this is pretty. It is not lifting my foundation, which I was a little nervous about after I already filmed my foundation, like first impression. I'm using the brand new CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Essence, or Skin Perfector Essence, and that is a water-based foundation that is a little bit lighter, like density, so I was really afraid. That's not pulling anything up. Now I want to try to build it up just a little bit. It feels nice and cooling, like I can feel that like gel type of like consistency to it. Yeah, that blends out really fast and really, really well. I'm also seeing a slight blurring effect. Oh, okay. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy. Next, the blush in the shade Darling. That looks so, look at the difference. Just giving yourself that little bit of like a contour or a bronzer, a little bit of warmth to the complexion. Same type of component. I'm going to start with one dot. Oh, I'm scared. I'll start with one dot. And I love this color so much, especially, I mean, it's going to be beautiful right now, and it's just a me color, but especially for like springtime and summertime. And then I like to bring it somewhat over to my nose area, and then softly diffuse it and kind of blend it into that bronzer shade, just so that there's a beautiful gradient. And I don't look like I have a bronzer helmet or a blush helmet. I am noticing that it stuck slightly right there, just where I placed it down. I don't mind that, but I'm thinking you probably want to work fast. Can definitely be built up, which also makes me happy because then I can use it in the summertime as well. So yeah, on this, and it could just be my brush. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's a little bit, I can just tell that there's a little bit more opacity there where I originally placed it down at. So let me go in with this brush. It's slightly more firm. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I like these. They're beautiful. And they're setting down really, really quickly. I don't feel any like wetness or dewiness or anything like that on the skin. And I do see a blurring. That is really beautiful. All right, let me do the other side. I'll BRB. Okay, I just wanted to show on this side, I wanted to really punch it up, and I think that you could definitely take a less is more approach, or you can really amp them up. They also smell divine. Just saying. I'm gonna add a tiny bit to like my nose. And this little cushion thing, that feels so nice, you guys. I cannot even express how great that applicator feels. It's like a really smooth, it's like a cooling gel. It feels nice. It feels really nice on the skin. It is playing great with that foundation, which I was not so positive about at first. Yeah, that blends great. I feel like maybe I didn't shake up the blush as well as I did like the contoury type shade, because I definitely did not see this shade kind of like sticking in place the way that I did the blush. But consistency wise, they do feel the exact same. Yeah, that is great. That is beautiful. And hopefully you can see that it's already, you know, that it's already kind of self-set. So I think unless you have like extremely oily skin, I wouldn't even set this. Me personally, I do not feel like I would have to set it at all. Oh, I love these. I'm so happy I broke my no-buy. I am going to test this for you guys. I am going to go and take this and just lighten this just a touch so that everything is kind of, you know, it looks together and seamless, not intense on this side. But I'll come back and give you guys kind of a full update and stuff like that. We'll see how it wears, how it kind of plays with the rest of my makeup. But so far, I'm impressed. I really love both of these products. And they're not super expensive. I think they're like $19 a piece. Oh, I love these. I love the components. I love the application process. I love how the little doe foot thing feels. It feels so cooling and nice on the skin. And I love that I'm seeing that little bit of like a blurring quality. Okay, these are a win. I'll be back at the end of the day. All right, beauties, we're about the 5-hour mark. My husband is on his way home, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up for you guys. Over here, it did not settle quite as well. That is the foundation. It is not the blush or the bronzer or contour, because over here, it looks great. I am seeing a little bit of oils and stuff start kind of peeking through, like from the foundation, if you will, but it has not affected how the blush or anything looks. I can definitely see a little bit of, like I said, a little bit of oils and stuff kind of peeking through, but it still feels completely set down. It's not like transferring or anything like that, so I love them both so much. I love the shades that I got. I love that I feel like I can wear it right now and I can build it up and really intensify it for like spring, summer months. So I'm not only wearing it for 3 or 4 months out of the year. I really do feel like I can wear these year round. Even like around my jawline and stuff like that. It's not broken down or anything. It's so beautiful. I think it looks so pretty, and it's looking even more beautiful after these 5 hours. So let me know what you guys think. Is this a product you're interested in trying? And have you tried the She Glam ones? I'd like to know. Comment down below. Let me know. Thank y'all for being here. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.